TrustGrid. We have a couple of products. Like currently, we have 4 products, which is live, and we have recently launched our app that is a social app. It's a social app which is just like Instagram and Facebook, but this is completely different from Facebook, Instagram, and other social apps because this is our app which is uh, based on blockchain. We have blockchain based technology in our app. So Instagram, Facebook, and other Twitter apps, they are not on blockchain currently. They have their technology, but they are on to web 2 right now. So we are moving to web 3. So web 2 is like they have money and everything, but they can't able to like it's pretty challenging, right, to migrate from web 2 to web 3. So it's not about money, but it's about the effort.
Agility also.
Yes, right, exactly. So here in Sync Social, we are focusing on as a TrustGrid. Uh, the company TrustGrid is mainly focusing on users' privacy and safety of the users' data. Nowadays, like like you heard of Instagram getting hacked, WhatsApp getting hacked every day and every time, right? So, but this is the only app which no one can hack because we have added blockchain technology in this. So, like the users' data is completely safe and like safe and sound. Yeah, that's right.
So how is going to benefit comparison of Facebook and social? One
Yeah.
thing you said that is a security.
Right.
And the other thing, what different it will provide?
So other than that, we are facilitating decentralized video calling feature, decentralized audio calling, and decentralized chat feature.
Okay.
So rest of the other apps which are Web2 based, they are not onto decentralization. So they have their centralized server. So everything they collect users data and they keep in a central server. But we don't have a central server. It's peer to peer. It's fully circulated and distributed. We have a DHT thing in which we store the data, not the exact data. We are just keeping the hash of the data in a DHT network. DHT is nothing but it's a distributed hash table which even Ethereum and other network protocols are using currently. So that's what we are using right
You're
now.
also giving digital wallet. So what is that?
Right, exactly. We even have a TrustGrid wallet. So like you heard of crypto wallets, right?
Yeah.
So like in this wallet you can, it's just similar to crypto wallet. It's same, it's a crypto wallet. So you can receive the crypto token and you can receive some crypto tokens. You can send crypto tokens to anyone who has a wallet. Yeah.
So that can be linked to the UPI or how it will work?